Hello everybody, welcome back to Best College Aid. Today we will be talking to one of our clients, Ana Sofia, and her mom, and they will be sharing everything that Ana Sofia did while she was in high school to get accepted into more than 8 colleges with scholarships. So make sure to check out this insightful interview because a lot of the tips that we share in this conversation can help your student on their road to college. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more college admissions and scholarship tips. And without further ado, here's Ana Sofia's success story.
I was born in Mexico, in Guadalajara, and we moved here in 2015. So we lived a year in Chicago, and then ever since we've been in Arizona.
Which schools have accepted you and how much you've received per each of these universities?
I applied to 11 schools and have heard back from 9 and are still waiting from New York University and Boston College. I was accepted to Marist and I got a $15,000 scholarship a year. Fordham offered me $4,600. St. John's is $36,500. ASU hasn't awarded it yet because of my residency status. It's taking longer. Emerson College in Boston, $35,000 a year. University of Tennessee, $5,000. And then Loyola University Chicago, $28,000.
Wow. Congratulations, first of all. Very exciting. And the fact that they all gave you something, that means that you did a lot of things through high school. How was your experience in high school? Which extracurriculars did you do?
Okay, so my freshman year, I did all honors classes, dual enrollment history, theater, and track. My sophomore year, I did AP English, AP Literature and Composition, and AP US History, and then all honors classes. And then I didn't do track. I kept theater and joined student government. I joined student government sophomore year. Junior year, I did AP English, all honors. I was the marketing officer for the junior class in student government. And then I did sand volleyball. I tried it for the first time. And then now it's senior year. So I have a smaller schedule. I have a dual enrollment class and theater, student body president. And wait, what else do I do? Oh, I joined dance.
Dance.
No, I'm very busy.
Was there anything inside the course that helped you in the process? I was talking to one of our students. She's from Argentina, and she was saying how she started her own chapter because she watched a lesson inside the course about getting involved with volunteering. I don't know if you could share anything off the top of your head that you watched or you learned from your time in Best College Aid that helped you in the process.
Definitely, like all the videos on the college essay tips. I started my essays this summer and I would rewatch like the same video over and over. Like, it's okay, maybe I can pick up more stuff that I didn't last time. So I think they were definitely super helpful. The timeline also has been really helpful. All the emails for sure. It's just been so helpful, like being able to talk to you, especially since I'm the first daughter and my parents went to school, but just not in the country. It's so different. I talk with my friends from school. I feel so ahead of the game. Like I knew what I needed to be doing. Literally the other day in school, someone was like, oh yeah, I haven't started applying to schools yet. And I was like, how? But it's because they don't tell you at school. If it wasn't for you guys, I probably have no idea that I need to apply to college.
Wow. Yeah, no, some schools have just one counselor. So it's definitely helpful to have a college advisor. It's helpful for sure. What about for you, Mom? What was the biggest takeaway that you get from your time here at Best College Aid?
Well, I think everything that you have done, I didn't know anything about it. We went to college in Mexico and it's totally different. You go wherever you want to pay. It's not like here, you go whatever you get accepted. So we were always telling her, it's totally different. You need someone to tell you what to do. So when I saw your program, I was like, we need to get this. So I think like everything she's done and she has gotten is been because of your program.
The fact that you found Best College Aid and you took the initiative to use our services to help her for her to have guidance, that's helped a lot. I mean, clearly, because like you literally are where you are right now because of that. So congratulations to you both, because yes, it is a team effort for sure.
Yeah. Well, speaking of that, who was the one who first found Best College Aid? Was it Mom? Was it Dad?
Mom.
Was it on social media or how did you come across?
My husband and I, we were watching the YouTube videos and I think we only watched like 2 of those. And we were, okay, get that program and you have to be studying.
Were there any, struggles throughout the process? Anything you guys were struggling with?
Picking my schools, because at first,
definitely.
that was super
She
hard.
would cry all the time.
I had a list of like 30 schools. I think that one actually at first was like the hardest thing, was picking which schools to go to.
Yeah, no, that's the most important thing. I do think that if I look back to my experience with my college counselor, it was the fact that he told me or helped me know what Marist was, because I had no idea that Marist was even an option.
Which part of the process do you think made the biggest difference with you getting accepted to all these schools so far?
In the long run, I think everything I did in high school, like I was so involved. I was at school every day. I really do think my essays, I took a lot of time writing them. Like I started in the summer.
Clearly worked out, because I mean, the schools that you've gotten accepted to so far are in amazing schools. You already got scholarships and they haven't even gotten the FAFSA. So hopefully it's going to be much better after that gets processed.
Hopefully.
Yeah, fingers crossed. What advice would you give to students or parents that are about to start this process?
I would say start early. Like, do not leave it till the last minute so that your application can be the best it can be. And also to like really apply yourself, because I know it's so hard, like writing the essays. There was times where I was like, okay, I'm done. Like, I just want to be done with it. But no, I think like really sticking to it, keep pushing through, even if you're like annoyed at how many essays you have to write. It's worth it. Like, and if you really do take the time to write them and like make sure that they're the best they can be, then I think that's definitely what helped me.
I did want to ask, because we mentioned it, what are your future plans, whether it's like major wise or something that you look forward to in college, wherever you end up?
I definitely want to study abroad. I don't know where, but with the Marist counselor, like I've already talked about the possibility of doing my first year abroad. I don't know if that's something I will end up doing or not. But for my major, I think I'm either going to do marketing or communications. Those are the top two things that I want to do. And then of course also theater.
It's so cool though that you have an idea. There's kids that go into college and it's totally fine, but they're like, I don't know, I'm undecided and I will figure it out. But as long as you have an idea, you're going to be able to go into college and take advantage of all the resources wherever you end up. And yeah, I went abroad. I went to London for 6 months and it was the best experience ever. And if it's something that you are interested in, take that into consideration. I know that's coming once this whole FAFSA things gets fixed, when you get your final acceptances and your financial aid packages, but that could be something that if you really do wish it in your heart to go abroad or major wise, some things to keep into consideration besides obviously the financial aid that you will end up getting. And you're gonna have so much fun. This is awesome.
Thank you.
Good luck with everything. Marketing is a good major. You've been marketing yourself throughout this whole process. Don't stop. Everything that you do outside the classroom, I think, will matter more. All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Adios.
Bye.
Thank you.
So there you have it. That was Anna's success story. We are so proud of her and her mom for doing such an amazing job throughout this college admissions journey. Now, if you also want to help your child navigate the college admissions journey, make sure to check out our free training on the top secrets to go to college with scholarships. You can register to watch this amazing presentation down below. Finally, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And we'll see you again next time.